Hi, I'm Florin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's a short tutorial that covers some of the most common Linux commands. These commands are essential for navigating, managing files, and handling processes in a Linux environment. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, these commands will help you navigate and manage your Linux environment efficiently. Let's get started. First up, navigating the file system. In Linux, everything is a file or directory. Let's explore some basic commands. Print working directory. To know your current location in the file system, use the pwd command. List directory contents. Want to see what's inside a directory? Use ls to list all files and folders. Change directory. To move between directories, use the cd command. For example, to go to the Documents folder, type cd Documents. File and directory management. Next, let's manage files and directories. Creating, copying, moving, and deleting files are everyday tasks in Linux. Create an empty file. Use touch to create a new, empty file. For example, touchfile.txt. Make directory. To create a new directory, use mkdir. Let's create a folder called folder 1. Copy files and directories. To copy a file, use the cp command. Copying directories requires the R option for recursive copy. Move or rename files. Moving and renaming files can be done with the mv command. Rename a file by simply changing the file name. Remove files and directories. Be careful with the rm command. The command rm deletes files and directories permanently without any warning. Viewing and editing files. Now, let's talk about viewing and editing files. Concatenate and display file content. To quickly view the contents of a file, use cat. It's great for small files. Text editors. For editing files directly from the terminal, you can use Nano or Vim. Nano is beginner-friendly, while Vim offers advanced features. Let's quickly recap the essential Linux commands we've covered. Navigating the file system, p a new directory. cp, copy files and directories. mv, move or rename files. rm, remove files and directories. Viewing and editing files, cat, display file content. Nano and Vim, edit files in terminal. These commands should cover most of the basic tasks you'll need to perform in a Linux environment. As you become more comfortable with these, you can explore more advanced commands and scripting to further enhance your Linux skills. In the next tutorials we will talk about system information and process management, permissions and ownership, networking, searching and filtering. Thank you for attention. Please like and subscribe.